They called him 67. Just a blurry face and a wide, endless grin, until his mouth whispered your name. Luna scrolls through TikTok in her dim-lit room, her eyes glued to one hashtag, #SCP-67. A warped video, grainy, black and white, shows a boy with a grotesquely wide-open mouth that's far too large to be real. The caption warns, "Do you hear it?" But of course, Luna only clicks to watch. That night, she dreams of static, flickering images of children in voided fields, the boy pointing, mouth yawning wide. A whisper loops in her head, "Luna." She jolts awake. Her phone buzzes, a video notification. More SCP-67 clips, now personalized. Luna found you. She tries to shake it off, but at the edge of her vision, the video plays. The boy's mouth moves slowly behind her roommate's reflection in the dark window. Luna turns. There's no one there. She blinks. The room is empty. The window shows only her terrified face, until the boy's grin appears, pressed against the other side of the glass, inches from her own reflection. Her phone dinged. A message, "See you soon."